In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new expense category in QuickBooks Online. This can really help you organize your finances better and ensure every business transaction is correctly categorized, making your accounting tasks easier in the long run. So, let's dive right into it. First, we'll need to get started by logging into QuickBooks Online. Open your web browser and head over to https://qbointuit.com. Once you're there, enter your login credentials and sign into your QuickBooks account. If you've forgotten your password or login details, follow the prompts on the page to recover them to ensure you're accessing your account securely. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. There's a gear icon, also known as the settings icon. Go ahead and click on that. When you click, a menu will expand, showing a variety of options. In this list, you'll find an option labeled Chart of Accounts. Under the section titled Your Company, click on this Chart of Accounts link. This section is where you can see all of your existing accounts, and more importantly for us, it's where you can create new ones. Now let's create that new account. Look towards the top right corner of the Chart of Accounts page, and you'll see a button marked New. Click on this button to start creating a new account. QuickBooks will then bring up a new window where you'll need to provide some initial details. In the account type drop-down, select Expenses as the type of account you want to create. Choosing the correct account type is crucial, as it helps categorize your expenses correctly across your QuickBooks activities. Next up is entering the category details, which include a few key pieces of information. First, you'll need to enter a name for the expense category you're creating. For example, you might call it office supplies or marketing, depending on what type of expense it is. There's also a field for description, which is optional but helpful if you want to add more context or notes about this category. Lastly, select the detail type, which should closely match the category you are adding. This helps further specify what your expenses are aligned to within your business activities. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, you have